In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on Permission Manager. Now you can select one of your device's features to manage it, or click on any of them to find an app that you wish to manage. If you want to manage one of those options, click on the chosen one, tap on one of your apps, and apply the best option from the list of the available ones. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I click and go back, I can see that my Chrome app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using my browser. If you want to manage one of your apps, click on it, and instead of selecting one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!